me see if I get to it. Oh, come on, get up there. Mm-hmm. Okay, I know what I'm going to do. You see what I did? Well, I know what I did. Well, you know what? It will, but it won't. The fuses are still there. All the wing nuts are right behind it here. Right here. Which means I have to step over here to work with them. But I'm not going to be working with these a whole lot. So it's not a big deal. The fuses I wanted to make sure. The studs, like I said, I can always work back there. USB, yes. Anything I'm going to get to a lot. And I don't want to have it close to me. I want to be close to me. Come on, get up there. I was holding you for crying out loud. Yeah, there you go. I think I'm all set now. Yep, good. Now, how about this one? This one's fine. This one. I'm going to try to get up there as well. Just your way. Less hanging, the better off. Okay, so let's bring this one. And this one. I will put a light back here, however. It'll make it a lot easier. I'm trying to do something back here. If I can see what the hell I'm doing. Because we are working with 12 volts. And I don't want to blow something up because the wires were in the dark. There. Okay. Okay, George. Now, do I want to put it here? Now, if I put it there, I may scratch my hand. I don't want to put it there. Oh, no, I can do that. I didn't think of that. Maybe. No, I can't. Can't go that deep. Damn, that would have been nice. I'm trying to think a way of surface mounting the switch. But it's a square switch, which means I'd have to. I don't know how much room I have there. That orange wire. The orange wire is already there, so I can probably do it right here. Yeah, you know what? Well, this one's not going to make it there. How long is that one got? No, that one's not going to be long enough. It'd be long enough to go to here, but not there. This is particle board. I don't know. Maybe. Should I try it? It doesn't hurt to try, right? What did I end up doing? Putting some caulk in there to fill it? Probably. Let's try this. Okay, so if I want to put that right there, I gotta make it deep enough to at least hold the switch. And then I can solder these two, so I don't have to worry about that. Let me take this off here for now. Okay, so how far back do I need to go? Or, wait a minute, there's another way here it might work. Might be just as good and a little easier. Device. The old spaghetti westerns. It's like the old spaghetti box TV. I don't know if they have that anymore or not. But you guys remember, you're watching TV, but there's a black, like a 3-inch space and another 3-inch space going across the bottom. You know, they call that spaghetti box because the old spaghetti box westerns. The westerns all used to be that way. So you're seeing the picture, but it, you know, it's longer and narrow. Okay, so we got that done. Now, here. That, I think, will do it. Yeah, I'm going to do it that way. Now, let me clean up this edge a little bit. I wanted to round off the edges, so if, in fact, you jump on it, you're not going to have a problem. Okay, so now I want to give this a little bend. I off the edge if I can. That's going to do it. Close. Good old spaghetti westerns. Yep. Is that going to be? It's a little crooked. A little crooked. You know what I'm going to do? No. What are you going to do? Let me do this. There. Okay. We did that. Let me do this. Okay. This one may be a little big. Yeah, this one's too big. Be okay if it'll go through that. It should. Mm-hmm. Okie-dokie. Oh, perfect. Okay, let's put these back on. This is another one. This one? Come on. Get in there, you dirty little dog. Yeah, I should solder it. It's only a light. If it shuts off, we know where it is. That's got to keep shutting off. Okay. I know there's solder on here someplace, because I know I rolled it up. Is it over here? Oh, here it is. Okay. Here she be. I don't know why they're so active lately. I know there's a lot of ambulances going on, so it could be that. It could be. No, that's a truck. Well, that's heating up. Hold on a minute.